Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Citizen Bank's account password. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your password of Citizen Bank, firstly open your Citizen Bank application. The home page of Citizen Bank will appear on the screen. Click on Forgot User ID or Password option. Choose the appropriate option and tap on Next. Select your account type, whether it's personal or business account, and tap on Next. Enter your last name, social security number, date of birth, and click on Next. You will be directed to another page where you will have to enter a few more credentials, and eventually you will be able to set up a new password for your Citizen Bank account. This is how you can reset your Citizen Bank account's password quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.